Today we're building a super cool mini project, a Mars flight ticket calculator. Along the way you'll learn how to store data in Python's memory, follow clean naming rules, and manipulate variables on the fly. Let's dive right into the code. So far you see how we stored the value 3 and 105,000.50. But when choosing variables names, you must stick to these golden naming rules. 1. Names cannot start with a number. 2. Spaces are not allowed. Use an underscore instead, like passenger underscore count. Avoid Python's built-in keywords, like print or int as variable names. Now, let's say our system updates dynamically and data types shift mid-program. Python features dynamic typing, meaning you can change a variable's data type at any time. In statically typed languages like C++, if you define a variable as an integer, you can't assign text to it either. Python gives you total freedom, though you should still use it carefully to avoid unexpected bugs. Now, for the fun part of the project, updating the final price with tax and fees. Notice how we update total underscore cost using its own current value. Every time that line runs, the new calculated result replaces the old value in memory. And that's it. Today you learned how to store data, follow naming convention, and reassign variables dynamically in Python. Try running this code yourself and let me know in the comments what variable would you create if you were building your own spaceship program.